How to turn on notifications on Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this Me icon. Simply tap on this Me icon. Now here on the right top, tap on Settings. Now we're in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can find different options. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Notifications. Simply tap on Notifications. So this is the place where you can find notification. So here, there are different subcategories and categories to which you can turn on the notification. So now, simply tap on the one that you want to enable. So here, you can choose everything in order to turn on the notification. So you can even customize it later and choose the one that you like and later disable it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.